4 years ago, I moved into my first apartment. I just signed my lease. I just got my key. This may not be a big deal to a lot of people, but it's a big deal to me because this is my first apartment ever. This is mine. How beautiful are the vacuum lines? Vacuum lines, vacuum lines. In the past 4 years, I made lifelong friends in this apartment. I went through a pandemic in this apartment. I spent a lot of time figuring out adulting in this apartment. I acknowledged my mental health in this apartment. I started my first nursing job in this apartment. I was a travel nurse while in this apartment. And I spent my last year in this apartment. Hello, beautiful people. We're not going to reflect on the fact that I've been gone for a year. Hello, everybody. A couple things. I'm moving this month from my first apartment of 4 years. Going to Atlanta tomorrow because I am becoming a wound care nurse within the next couple months. And 3, I'm doing well mentally. Y'all remember my room, right? I've recorded a couple videos in here throughout my time living here, and then I started traveling, and then y'all never saw this room again. But don't fret, this room will be gone. I don't know why I just noticed that I took my brick down. When did I do that? I had wallpaper up in here and I don't remember taking it down. I remember doing that, but I don't remember taking it. Wow, I'm hot. Okay, so I am, like I said, I'm going to Atlanta tomorrow, so I got my suitcase here, but I'm also moving. So I'm going to be going through all of my freaking clothes that I have and separating them from, do I want it? Do I wear it? Have I touched it within the last year, and can I survive without it? Because I know for the last month pretty much I've lived out the same suitcase, no problem. So I know I don't need all the clothes that I do have. So we're gonna minimize as well as fold up some clothes that I haven't touched, and we're just gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out together. I thought I was gonna be able to get Salvation Army to come get this stuff no hassle, but they called me yesterday and was like, make sure there's no nooks, crannies, rips, tears, stains on anything. Yesterday I went out my way, went to Home Depot and bought a stain and everything to stain this, but as you can see, the part that lifted still looks a mess. I've had this couch for almost 5 years. In the last, I want to say 6 months, it started peeling. So that's what's happening here. And since Salvation Army wanna be difficult. I got some tools and some cover-ups and some things that I'm gonna do to make all of this look a little better. All right, so what I've decided to do for this is to apply contact paper. This looks more black than brown, so black marble on top of this probably wouldn't hurt. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. They called me earlier and was like, hey, make sure you're ready afternoon, and it's 8:30. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of this stuff and time lapse through all of it, and we'll see how it turns out. Your backyard friends, the backyard friends. If I need you, that's empty. Here's the side table before and after. Look at the sides, baby, it looks good. They're starting to look a little uniform. They're starting to look a little uniform. Keep it. I did some work, baby. Let me get some pictures of this. Okay, so now that we're done with the dresser, I feel a little better. So now we're gonna tackle the couch. Now the couch is pretty scary. I'm going to throw these pillows off. I'm gonna flip the couch, see what I can see. Here's the leather that I bought. Of course, it's not leather, it's leather enough. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna shape this, how I'm gonna cut it, how it's gonna fit. I'm gonna get this together. They got me messed up if they think they're not taking this couch. And after this, I'll be done, and all I have to do is just like gather some other things. Okay, so we got this together. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is try to get these staples out. I'm gonna re-staple them after I finish. Okay, I'm gonna go. I can't do this right now. They're coming within an hour and I got to have everything kind of ready. So I turned up my bed, got the mattresses ready. Dressers here, the lamp. My kitchen table is going. This recliner's going. My brand new couch is going. Y'all see this? I don't think y'all see it though. Y'all don't think y'all see it though. I'm giving away this table here, or my TV stand. What's it called? Media center. Oh, my whole house. Learn to say goodbye to things. I'm moving.
One thing I have to get used to is emotionally detaching myself from things. I'm a true hoarder. And one of the things I've been hoarding since my freshman year in college is Ray. Everybody, this is Ray. I won Ray at Lighthouse, which was a youth ministry at my college that I would go to. And it was a contest to see who could name the most Bible verses. And I won. And Ray, it was around Christmas time. Ray was my prize. I named him Ray because one of my family's favorite uncles, my mom's basically her dad, was the funniest man I ever met. And I think he had died either that summer before I went to college or the summer before. But I named Ray after Uncle Ray. Shout out to Uncle Ray. Rest in peace. I've been hoarding Ray since 2014. He has seen some things. Like it's getting to me because I'm like, this dude has been there through like me not loving myself, me going through, I mean, just the ways of the world, and I'm just so grateful to have something that has seen me in so many different stages of my life and been so consistent. Yes, he's a bear, but he's been the same bear with the same hat and the same scarf and the same stuffing. But I'm moving and I can't take all my little knickknacks and things that I want to hoard. It's time. So I'm going to donate Ray. And I hope whoever gets Ray takes care of Ray.
I had to stop. I was getting a little lightheaded.
Bright like a diamond, beautiful like a diamond.
Shine right like a diamond. I've been in the Rihanna mood. I love Rihanna. Like, that's my girl. She is that girl. Showing everybody in the world that she that girl. Packing has been like, hold on. Packing has been the most stressful thing I have ever done in my life. I've accumulated 4 years worth of junk, plus things I want to keep. It's just like me trying to decipher, oh, am I keeping this? Oh, is it junk? Oh, is it just something I need to let go? Oh, is it something I need to save forever? It takes a lot out of you. I've been cussing. You know how like you avoid something so you go to sleep? I literally took a 4-hour nap yesterday in a chair because I don't have a bed, I don't have a couch, I don't have anything other than a chair, other than like the air mattress that I sleep on at night. But I put the air mattress up during the day so I could be productive. Yet, I got nothing done yesterday. It bothers me seeing miscellaneous things all over the place. Like this poster. Where, do I have a box where I just can't have posters that I want to keep? Can I keep it? Yeah, I can keep it. But like, should I keep it? No. So much to do. And then I gotta study for my exams. Before Taylor's wedding, I have to make sure I can fit that freaking dress because I've gained 10 pounds. I have to make it happen. Like, if I don't make it happen, then who is? Okay? It's just me. It's just me. It's the constant thinking about it that's stressing me out. So I'm gonna turn my music back on. And we're just gonna do. We're just gonna do. We're not gonna think. We're just gonna do. We're gonna do. We're gonna do. Everybody, so I'm about to get started with taking some stuff outside. So there's a line of things over here that I'm donating. The things that are against the wall is what I'm taking. So what shoes am I putting on? Kids across the street taking my stuff. Go ahead and get it, buddy. It's like they going when I come upstairs. I'm cracking up. They looking for me. Go on, take it, buddy. Little do they know it's a broken vacuum cleaner in there. Baby, y'all can have it. Apartment. It is all cleared out and clean. I took pictures of everything, so ain't nobody coming for me.